Hi everyone, are you tired of basic checkboxes limiting your spreadsheet potential? This video unveils a powerful technique to transform checkboxes beyond simple true-false, giving you dynamic calculations that truly look inspiring. As you can see that whenever I check into any checkbox, the row is automatically highlighting, and whenever I remove the check, the row change to the normal and the checked items are automatically counted along with the total price calculation. How we can do all this, let's learn.
Don't forget to subscribe now and press the bell icon for more videos.
First of all, I will insert checkboxes to these cells. For this purpose, I'll select these cells and I'll go to the Insert tab and click on this checkbox. So this will automatically add the checkboxes to these cells. It is also important to understand that this option is available only in Microsoft Excel 365. If you are using earlier version of Microsoft Excel, then you need to enable the developer tab and then insert the checkboxes to the cells, and you will also need to link the checkboxes to the cells manually. The detailed procedure of doing all this is described in my other video. The link of that video is given in the description as well as in the I button. Now let's move forward. Now you can see that whenever I check into any checkbox, the value in the formula bar changes from false to true. We will make use of this to highlight any row. For this purpose, I am going to select these cells. I'll go to the Home tab. I'll click on this conditional formatting. Click on this new rule. Select use a formula to determine which cell to format. And in the formula, just select the first cell. Here I will remove the $sign before the row number to make it free. And after this, I'm going to click on this format, and in the fill option, I will select any color and click OK and again OK. Now you can see that whenever I check into any checkbox, the row is highlighted, and whenever the check is removed, the color is automatically removed. I will write total here. Now here in this cell, I would like to count the items that are selected. For this purpose, I am going to write equal, and I will use the COUNTIF function. In the arguments of the COUNTIF, the range will be all the cells that have the checkboxes, and the criteria will be the checked cell that are given with the value true. So I will write in inverted commas true, close the parenthesis and hit enter. Now the numbers of selected items are automatically being calculated in this cell. Now in the next cell, I would like to add the quantities of all the selected items. For this purpose, I will make use of the SUMIF function. So I will write equal SUMIF. The range for this function will be the cells containing the checkboxes. The criteria will be the true items, which means the items that I have selected. So in inverted commas, I will write true, and the sum range will be the quantity cells. Now because I will use the same formula for calculating the unit price and total price, therefore I have to lock this range by pressing the key F4. After this, I'll close the parenthesis and hit enter. To calculate the unit price and total price, I'll move my cursor to the bottom right corner of this cell, and when it changes to this plus sign, I'll drag it to right. So here you can see that as I checked into the items, the total is also calculated automatically. Now these checkboxes are not just the checkboxes, they are also making calculations for us. Thanks for tuning in. With this checkbox trick, your spreadsheet just leveled up. Like, share, and subscribe for more smart Excel tutorial. And keep making your data shine. See you next time.